Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve example 12. So by using the properties of surd, we have to expand and simplify the given expression. So what does it mean? It means that we have to rewrite 28, 175 and 63 as a multiplication of several numbers. So first we have to split 28. 28 is what? 28 divide 4 can? Oh, can. Okay. So 4 multiply by 7. So 4 multiply by 7. So I split 28 into square root of 4 multiply by 7. And then minus. Okay. Now how about 175? 175 is 15. Cannot. 5. Oh, maybe 7. Can. So 20 square root of 25 multiplied by 7. Okay. And then 63. 63, I think something to do with 7 as well. But just try lah. Divide because I don't really memorize the multiplication table. Okay, 9 multiplied by 7. Good. Now I have the idea lah what to do. Okay, let's hide the calculator. Okay, now, so what we have here is the multiplication of each number. So, in each surd, if it's multiply, we can separate the square root. So, we have square root 4, square root 7, minus square root 25, square root 7, square root 9, square root 7. Now, we have this, not yet. We have to solve the perfect square in front first. What does it mean by perfect square? Perfect square are the numbers that can be square root nicely. For example, square root of 4 is you use like your calculator, you will get. Square root of 4 is 2. And then square root of 25 is 5. Okay. And then square root of 9 is 3. Now we can see each term has square root of 7. So we can put them outside. Put square root 7 outside and write the remaining coefficient inside the bracket. So 2 minus 5 minus 3. And then further solve it to 2 minus 8. Minus 8 minus 6 lah. Minus 6 square root of 7 as the final answer. Like that. Like that. Okay. Next. Let's go to the next one. Okay. 32. 32 divide 4. What Forgot. 32 divide 4 can. Oh, can 8. Okay. So for this one, we separate 32 into 4 multiplied by 8. Because 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. And then 400. 400. So 400 can be split into 4 multiplied by 100. And multiply pula. Sorry, it's a minus at the back. In the second term. My bad. So plus. So 64. 64 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4 is 16. 16. So it's 4 multiplied by 16. Okay, enough lah. We close the calculator already. Okay, now we already take out the 4 in each of them. So what we can do, cannot do much. Can? Try lah. Okay, try. We try our best. 32 to 16. 16. 416. Can 400 divide by 16? Oh, can. Okay. So, I was wrong lah. Okay. So, we can rewrite as 16 multiplied by 2. Okay. And then 400 as 16 multiplied by 25. Okay. And then plus 64 is 16 multiplied by 4. My bad. I used the wrong combination. See, we can see the the cert 16, cert 16, cert 16 there, right? Okay, so we can split them lah. Let's split them. So cert 16, cert 2 minus cert 16, cert 25 plus cert 16, cert 4. Let's see lah, if get lah, if don't get, what to do, right? Okay, let's see. So cert 16 is what? Is 4. 4 cert 2. Right, okay. Now, next, cert 16 is 4 multiplied by cert 25 is 5. So each is actually 20. Okay, so actually square root 400 right away can get 20. Okay, so plus 4, square root of 16 is 4. And then square root of 4 is 2. So multiply, we get 8. So the last two term actually resulted into a natural number. So we can just solve them further. So minus 20 plus 12 is minus 12. Plus 8 is minus 12. Yes. And then 4 square root of 2. So this is the final answer. That's all. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Okay, find the sum of these two things. So we have to write back lah. Because the question asking for the sum, we have to add them together. So minus 4 square root of 2. Okay, this is the first bracket. Plus, because sum is a plus. 3 square root of 5 plus 5 square root of 2. Okay, now, what should we do with this one? Okay, if it's a plus and addition, we have to group the similar ones, the ones that have the same square root. For example, 2 square root of 5 and 3 square root of 5 are similar because they share the same square root of 5 at the back. While minus 4 square root of 2 and 5 square root of 2 are similar because they have the square root of 2 at the back, the same ones. So let's group them together. So 2 square root of 5 plus, which one? 3. 3 square root of 5 and then minus 4 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2. Okay, now, so the next one is to what? To do what? Okay, you see the square root of 5 over here? We can put a bracket and put the square root of 5 outside the bracket. What's left? We add the remaining number inside the bracket. Like this. Okay, we do the same for the square root 2 one. Okay, now we put square root 2 outside. Okay, like this, right? And then, this one, I made a mistake. We need to put plus. And then we write minus 4. And then plus 5 at the back. Plus 5. Like that. That's better. Okay, then we solve lah. 2 plus 3 is 5 square root of 5. And then this one minus 4 plus 5 is 1. 1 square root of 2. No need to write lah the 1. It's hidden. So that's the answer for number 3. Okay, next. Find the product of the certs given. Okay, so it's 2 square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 2. Okay, put them in a bracket. And then product, right? Product we have to multiply. Multiply. And then the second bracket is 3 square root of 5 plus 5 square root of 2. Okay, let's expand them. This is like example, the previous example, I guess. So we just expand like this. So 2 square root of 5 multiply 3 square root of 5. Okay. Next, we multiply this one. Okay. Plus 2 square root of 5 multiply 5 square root of 2. Okay. And then next, this one, we multiply these two. Take note the negative over here. So we have to put negative. 4 square root of 2 multiply 3 square root of 5. Correct or not correct? Okay. And then lastly, we have to expand the last term for both of the bracket. Okay, so negative also. Negative 4 square root of 2 multiply 5 square root of 2. Okay, good. Now, what to do? Group lah the natural number and the cert together. Okay, otherwise we will get confused. So this one, for the red one, we can group 2 and 3, put them together next to each other. It's a multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And then square root 5 multiply square root 5. Okay. This one can be solved right away, but I don't want to do it first. I want to do it one by one. And then 2, 5 is 10, multiply. And then square root of 5, square root of 2. This one minus 4, 3 is 12. Square root of 2, square root of 5. And then minus 4 multiply by 5, it's 20, minus 20. Square root of 2, square root of 2. Okay. Now, what to do next? Okay, so we simplify. Okay, so from my previous videos and previous example, we can simplify. Square root of 5 multiply square root of 5 is 5. So 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Okay, now how about this one? Okay, it's 10 square root of 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, because they share the same root, we can multiply them together inside the same root. So to have square root of 10. And then this one minus 12. You see 2 multiplied by 5 also resulting to 10. I didn't write the 12 earlier. Okay. Now I corrected it. Okay, next 20. So 20 and then multiply by square root of 2 multiply by square root of 2, which is 2. Okay, so 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. Okay, almost finished. And then we solve 30 minus 40, we get minus 10. And then this one, okay, you look, we have the same square root of 10. So what we can do, we put a bracket and put square root 10 outside. And then what's left? We just take whatever number in front of each square root and put them inside the bracket. Okay, this one minus 12. Okay, then minus 10. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 square root of 10. So this is the final answer. Okay, so I think that's all for example 12. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.